Dear students, brothers and sisters of Kandhamal districts, as well as my dear spectators, please overlook this medicinal tree. Its name is Bapeda in Kui language in Kandhamal district, whereas in English it is called Sukada. It is a medicinal name. Its original name is Sukada. It is very important medicinal plant for piles, bleeding piles, as well as joint knee pains. Knee pains holders, those who have suffered in knee pains, this its root, its bark is very essential for immediate curable of this that type of diseases. Please overlook it. It is a very important one. And look at the top level. What about the wonderful blossoming powers of this Bapeda in Kui language? Please overlook it. And subscribe my channels also. It is a very essential and important one. And those who have not known these things, they should have recognized first, thereafter to know something about everything and everything about something of a medicinal plant. It's a very important, and you have to visualize it properly and closely related with this. It's a very important one. Please overlook it, and it is very essential for all human beings, and the tribal peoples may have also used this plant. It's a very important one and energetic for human bodies also. So please overlook it and observe it also, and it is essential for all the Ayurvedic practitioners as well as those who have practiced in degree holding in Ayurvedic college. They should have also recognized it and observed it. It's a very important medicinal plant, and you have to know that it is a very important for, as it the mother of all Ayurvedic medicine. It is very essential for. Please overlook it. And I like it and choose this medicinal plant. And the Odisha government have also planted a different type of medicinal plant also roadsides, and please observe and look at this. It is a very essential one, and I like this medicinal plant very much. It is a very important one. Please overlook it. And I think the nature has given the much more priority to this plant also, and it is also a very important one for all the patients to overlooking and observing this plant. It is no doubt a great achievement on behalf of the natures who have given a special gift to all the patients and human beings and other creatures also. It is important one. And many more creatures, those who are wild creatures, particularly the elephant, have eaten the leaves of that plant. It is also very nutrient to their bodies also. Please overlook it. It is a very wonderful, beautiful and wonderful medicinal plant. Please observe it. A thing of beauty is joy forever by way of observing this medicinal plant. Please look at once again in this manner, and I have highlighted this matter in front of you once again for your observing and creating a great wonderful verse from the beginning to the root to the top level. Please overlook it. Top level function. Please overlook it. It is an essential medicinal plant for all human beings to have recognized this plant, and it is important for all things. And please observe and overlook it. So many thanks to all of you for observing these things, and subscribe my channels. Goodbye, namaste, Jai Hind.